Go for it. I'm gonna pause.
And
No, it's great. I'm not gonna start recording. This kid is spamming me. Oh my god, dude. He's spamming me so hard. I'm gonna turn down my chat opacity. Dude, this Minecon Cape kid just filled my freaking screen with text. Hey, I'm recording you, foo. Wait, who is that? Is that Ashll?
it's Goofy.
Oh, hey, Goof. I just found out they added this new block to this server, so I gotta find it. It's
Yep, same. I'm gonna help out.
Yeah, we're doing the Great Quest, and I just immediately got flooded with clan
Oh,
invites because I'm the
garage
biggest
door.
YouTuber on here. 1010. Alright, I'm about to get
Send me an invite, and I'll be like, "Hey, can I join you, Alex? Too cool?" And you're gonna hit me up with that definite yes, and then everybody's gonna cringe.
Yeah,
Everybody's gonna be mad. It's like, "Oh, add me, Alex."
Because that happens all the time.
Yes, okay, one sec.
Remember my password. Oh god.
Okay, the server requires like its own login, which sucks.
Password.
But I doubt anyone's used your name.
I put this on frickin' Pirate Talk, and it's actually giving me eye cancer.
Password. Oh
What
my
else did you
god.
expect was gonna happen? Dude,
I thought it'd be
chat
fun.
capacity on 40%, and I'm dying from all this text.
Jesus, there's 170 or 97 people I have to impress.
Or power place are on me.
Yeah. Almost all of them are on the same server.
Or power place are on me right now. Is that good or bad?
One called RustV2 is the one you gotta join. This is that one server that one kid wanted us to join. Alright, I found a bandit sniper, that one cringy one. Some kid's farming it right now. Okay, blue.
Where am I right now?
Himself in a little clan. I have no clue, dude. This map has been so populated that it's not even worth.
Okay, to my I'll send you a TV.
Blue name scrub. Oh, he gave me a piece of armor. I killed him anyway. I didn't get it until after he died. We got a P1 chestplate. I cry. So at least I'm armored. Alright.
My TP! Accept!
Is Doof still in? Oh, I didn't even see your TP, dude. I have my chat opacity all the way down because I get so much spam. I'm not even gonna do my oh, freaking snipers. Oh, frick.
Hey. There's a guy behind us. Look over. He scared me. You
Oh,
want
why do they have so many T64 rays? It's not cool.
my
Good
6 minutes?
pants? Easy peasy.
In my mind.
Did he have pants?
Hey, hey, hey.
I don't know, did he?
Oh,
Easy.
dude, I need that armor. I need that armor. Quick,
Right, here, just do slash kit premium, Alex.
What about his sword? Oh, wait, this is a kid who gave me the chestplate. Man, I'm in better armor than you. I don't have a gun.
It's easy.
Dash
Easy.
EC. Legendary AK type? Yay or nay?
Yeah, sharp beast 3, fire spec 2, yeah, sword, iron. Yeah.
Yeah. I got a rare Enfield. 20 rounds. Let's do
See
this.
stuff. Oh, give me that.
I pulled this out from my E-chest. Dang.
Are so good at this game.
Ooh, got him.
Spammed by MI6 member.
Now I got 26 rounds.
Oh. No, if you're watching this video, I don't want to join. I'm only joining because that's why. No, I don't want to join the mine. No, I'm not playing this wipe.
Yeah, I'm not playing this wipe either. I want to see these new items. Yo, I'm fixing to turn off my
Watching
chat. I
it.
can't
I'm not
even.
doing.
I still can't even.
Easy kill, easy kill, easy kill.
Oh my god.
You get 4.6 health. Are you low?
What up? Chat settings. Chat hidden. I'm not even commands. Hold up there. Oh, frick.
There's a kev up on the hill over here. There's a kev up here. You wanna go kill him?
Hey, dude. Alright,
Let's go wreck him.
what up, man? I lost you. Oh,
I thought I'll just kill him by myself. You wanna come on?
I'm coming.
Easy kills, easy kills. kills.
I shot him.
Z kills. One shot me.
One. I killed the kid.
You killed him. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna TPA to you. TPA.
The other kid killed me. I don't know how. Okay, the freaking. Okay, you cannot play this server without chat on. That's ridiculous. It's very, very ridiculous. I couldn't see if I had ammo or not. Oh my god. Alright, chat settings. Good thing.
Attack them.
Okay, I'm gonna turn down my chat width, like, all the way down.
We play now, Alex. What do we do?
You run for your life.
I'm gonna turn my chat capacity back to 80.
Like, they added a bomb detonator.
Yeah, they added suicide vests as well. It tells you about how much this server has devolved.
Well, what? Oh, don't tell me. No, wooden doors acquire
like bomb vest skim undone, dude.
Alex, listen to me, okay? There's a key on the server now.
Yes, there are keys.
What? A possibly be a key for on the server? A wooden door? Maybe?
All doors. No more code doors.
I
know, dude. I'm done, dude. You know, it's a server.
Selling ore piles. You wanna go raiding, Alex?
Hold up. Who is this kid?
Me.
My skin.
Selling ore piles. Message me. You know, easy. Hard on this one.
I buy ore piles. Message me. Let's see how many messages I get. Everyone knows I'm poor.
Yeah, no, not attention.
Yeah, I'm not gonna give them anything. I'm just gonna legit take their ore pile, stick on my e-chest, and just log off. You gotta get the quest for the garage door. Oh my god, dude, I cannot do these cringy video settings. Where is it? Chat settings? Wait, hold up.
I asked one of a good friend of mine if he has any Kev armor for us.
Dash kit premium. Oh, what a waste of money. This kit premium was the biggest waste of money in my life. Actually, I got premium before the premium. I was so happy when they first added kit premium because it was full Kev. You know how beautiful that was? All the full Kev battles.
Hey, yo, Alex, you know who Lord AJ is?
Yeah, he helped me. Like, I like him and I hate him at the same time because he did so many evil things to me and then he started helping me, so.
Oh my god, what the hell is this place?
He used to be my ally and then, he used to be my enemy.
I need to log in? Whoa.
Hey, you finally got your game running, huh?
Oh, I've been here. I was playing another game. RustV2, yeah.
Some kid's trying to TP to me.
Server records, sure.
Let's see if I get that quick easy kill.
Sandrew was pummeled. Oh no. Cax hatchet.
Wait, is your name like Clown something, dude?
No, it's Sangor5.
No, I'm asking Killer. I bet it's his name in chat. It's Clown.
This is my premium account, but like I changed my name, so like.
Oh boy. I'm reading these signs, Alex. I'm a little scared. Alright, yeet.
Okay, listen, we gotta go find some towns. Hey, Sangor, just TPA to me.
You TP to the X Killer, the wrong spelled name, or you can TP to
Oh, I just TP to the wrong person. There we go. I don't have access to that command, apparently.
TPA, not TP.
Oh, yeah.
What is your name? TPA here.
He doesn't play Minecraft normally.
What kind of nickname is that?
Hey, try not to roast. That's what the people recognize me on YouTube. Like, everyone knows me.
Alright, come on. I sent you a TPA here.
Sangor,
Hey.
Sangor, you gotta be like, can I join your
Oh,
crew?
for request?
Sangor,
I forgot.
you don't have a skin.
Damn.
Don't have what?
You don't have a skin.
What happened to my snowman?
I don't know. This server's retired. Hey!
There's a blue guy. Oh, that's Sangar.
Same car.
Hey!
What is your name?
Doof. Say in
Yeah?
the chat, Alex Too Cool, can I join your team? And then I say, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just say it. Say, can I join team? Everyone is in the chat.
Oof. Let's see. The question is, how do I get back up here? Because since your friend so kindly pushed me off. Oh, there's a wolf here.
Give you a loving punch.
Get over here. I'm wearing full iron. Looks so cringy, doesn't it?
Kid tools.
That's not
I'm
iron.
sorry.
It looks like rusty pieces of poop.
It's called leather, but it's iron.
Pro gamers up top. You know who else pro gamers, right? Alex.
I don't know who anyone on here is anymore. There's ever like Pro Blad. What did someone do to this?
I thought you remember it.
Don't fall in there! Oh, that was almost bad.
Yeet. Whoa,
No,
the poor dog.
Don't fall in there.
Dang, what'd that dog ever do to you, cuz?
Don't go down there. We can't get you back out. It's a kill hole.
You're the last one. Get in there.
I went in there and
Those
said,
kill holes are everywhere, dude.
it
People
was
behind you.
cringy, don't worry. Oh,
Man, there's a bunch of people around.
Yeah, dude. There's so many people on here.
Oh, hold on. Protection. Disable.
Dude,
There we go.
Dash get
Oh.
tools.
oh no.
Oh, you fell down there? Rip.
Oh, it just gave me the same stuff I already have.
Oh, rip.
Oh well.
Well, now we can go around and asking people questions. I got an AK.
Alright. Let's ask some questions. There's a. Oh, I was gonna say there's a dude right here, but it's this guy.
Wow, you're so
Oh,
funny.
there's a
You
guy
call
right
me
here.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Why were that so loud?
Because the guns on here are extremely really.
Oh, he just combat logged.
Al, he's our friend. You killed my friend.
Oh,
just
I
combat
didn't know
log.
he was a friend, okay? I just saw a random person with like a swastika on their back or something. I couldn't tell what that was. It looked like a
Careful.
This
Right
They
behind
might
you.
demonetize you.
I don't care.
Actually, you're already
I already know.
demonetized
I
thanks to the
already
new
demonetized.
terms of service. Ah!
Ew, kill him,
Whoa!
kill him.
Whoa! That's some shit, dude.
Okay, we
Your
gotta
friend's
go-
not nice.
Hey, let's go murk some scrubs. All right.
He's killing me, Alex.
You're low health, I know you are.
Yeah, use your band-aids.
What do you think I'm trying to do with this little cunt?
Okay, we gotta get real gear. I swear. Okay, anyone remember where Bandit Cave is from here?
I got gear.
Kill me, scrub.
Dash TP here, you sir. Dash TP here.
Long cake. Can you see here? Yeah, that'd be nice.
XD. I'm using your bandages. Screw you.
I'm so used to on my server, no needing to TPA, just force TP.
Yeah.
Accepted. Oh my god.
Really, you're so bad.
Oh.
Alex, you just took some fall damage. Looks like you're the bad one here.
No,
Yeah.
I was just saving time. Oh my god.
Wait, what the
they
hell
have
is this?
paper sticking
What
to
is-
the wall. Come on,
What
paper.
is this block right here? I don't recognize that.
Alex, let's
This
make
is
a
a custom
cringy
block.
house.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go make a cringy hat. Look at this heli. Look at this.
Wait, if I touch the road, will it cut my head off?
I can't wait.
Oh.
It disappears for some reason.
Ah, screw you. I'm
You
coming
know
back.
what? We're gonna go raid someone, okay?
Hey,
Don't kill me!
hey! He doesn't have a timer. There's a timer on the TPAs.
Oh, there's a timer? No, here you go.
It needs tools. Okay. There's a timer on TPAs and kits and everything. I have a kit that has a 45-minute timer right now, but it's because of premium.
Dun,
Hey!
dun.
Really? Okay, Killer, come here. Have you seen the video yet of my PvP video?
The video of his PvP, his PP.
Look at this. Do you recognize this spot? This is
Looks like a
almost
bunch of-
clutch. This is where I can film my almost clutch video.
Failed.
Wait. Was I supposed to watch your video?
That one kid who sprinted off the roof over here and stuff. Right before I died. I killed like 5 full kevs right here, dude. It was just. Wait, that must mean we're close to my old house. I think.
Oh boy, nostalgia alert, everybody. Let's go see this cringy construct of Alex's.
It's probably gone. It's almost certainly gone. I haven't been on in like 7 days. So.
Dang. These wolves are not friendly.
And,
Are you not
and
buying
MS-13 busted into it, so I don't know what's done. So.
MS-13.
Yeah, MS-13. The Mexican thing. Alright. Again. Formerly known as MI6.
English?
A clan that has no balls. There you go. English.
So they're full of women.
Oh my god, he's just smart ass.
No, I was just
oh,
matter of fact.
With stone sword.
Message Fox.
A little louder than I'd like.
Stuff. I see
Oh, it looks like it's my lucky day. Bonk. Cloth.
Team of two.
Or do you want to build a quick house? Right here?
I feel like last time I played, you gave me a bunch of stuff, and I just dropped it in the chest, killed. And then I logged off.
Oh my god, these constructs. Yo, somebody's gonna blow up or like support down that. Whoa.
If only there was like a real physics engine, that thing out there, that treehouse thing, would have fallen over like one TNT. I'd love to see that thing timber.
It does. There is a partial thing. So if you blow off the thing that connects to our house, you can like.
Oh, they will fall?
It won't fall, but it'll despawn. You despawn their entire base, easy peasy.
Oh my god, then why do they build like that? Is there like grade protection?
I don't know.
Like, what if you jumped on top of their house and just threw some explosives there? Is that a fat RIP for them? Ow! Can you not, Coon?
Don't hit me, no one hit me.
He keeps punching.
Uh-oh, player.
Oh, here's some food. You're probably hungry.
I'm hungry? I'm going to be TPA or something.
Player coming up here.
I'm no longer PvP tag. Yeah, there's a dude right below you.
Should I shoot him?
He's mine.
Free Fox Ray. Free gear Fox Ray. Fear is my mind.
Dang. He had stuff.
Animal fat. That looks disgusting.
Keep it. That's so valuable. Used for making C4.
What?
It's used for
I don't remember
C4.
that from actual Rust. C4?
This is some fake Rust. Okay.
Okay.
Screw it, guys. We should build this tiny little shack somewhere. Where? I have the materials
You know
for
what?
a tiny little shack. Let's do it right
I'll join. For now.
It's gonna be like 3x3 on the inside.
Alex, let's get inside this huge wall right here. We can make it.
Whoa. That's not safe, dude.
It's not safe, but there's a wall there. Walls protect people. That's what Trump told me.
Oh, dude. Inside of there is bad. It's like trapped.
Bad?
Let's not go in there. Oh god, there's someone coming up behind us. Let's go.
Is there? I didn't see any name tags.
Oh my god, there's a full ghillie guy.
That's old.
He's following
A lot
these
of
two guys. Full ghillie?
I got a lot of people. I got an axe. I want to say hi. I want to ask him a question.
That was terrible.
Wait, Alex, are you recording?
Yes. Freaking blue.
Alex just deleted 2 people.
Oh, Alex, TPA to me. I have a friend that just let me use his minds.
Alex, there's another guy in here. Hacker! YouTuber 13 called you a hacker.
Very funny. Kids always gotta try. Okay, let's build a house. Start cutting wood.
Start cutting wood. Oh god, deforestation. Humanity's vice.
Quick, TPA.
No. Sir, I built a house.
You need to
Assume the country's house too.
Message.
It's gonna be the ritual around the freaking.
God, I don't have that much wood, Alex. Oh, do we have to make stairs? Is that the cheaper way?
Yeah, that is a cheap way. And we can share a bed because we're totally not.
I don't have access to your door. It took my wood.
I add you to door. Add users. Watch my back.
I'm looking at your back.
You know what I mean. Alright, you're added to the doors.
Swiggity, swiggity. Oh, I got my wood back. Hell yeah. Okay, it deleted my wood again. Bonk.
Welcome to the family house. Alright. I want to EC this freaking bed. That's cool. Oh, aloe vera. Anyone want some aloe? No. Oh, my P3 Kev legs. Shiny, shiny. Not wearing them though.
Yo, what do I do with cloth? I've got a lot of cloth. Is that for armor?
Used to be. They removed cloth armor. These for like band-aids. It's like 15 cloth per band-aid.
So how do I fast craft bandages?
Just look in there.
I'm looking at it, ain't telling me shit.
Go to materials.
Materials. Oh, there, I'm stupid. Man, that's a lot of materials.
Everything on here is absurdly expensive. That's the point. Okay, we can get a roof. Then we can get a respawn point. Okay. Then we can go out and go be stupid.
Yay! Stupidity is my middle name.
I knew that. Oh.
It's also my first name.
Well, I mean, your name's Goofy, so.
Well, that's a goofy thought. Of course my name is Goofy.
I'm done this goof. Alright. Oh, bro, what are we doing? There's some freaking OP wood.
I don't understand.
No, I'll come back with so much wood.
I just don't understand. I just
We
joined.
just killed so many people right there in that little spot, and then.
Yeah, he killed 2 people, and then they got mad.
3.
3? Oh my...
And now we had that one guy in that creepy house next door.
Do trees regen?
Yes.
Okay, that's creepy. I thought somebody was breaking stuff behind. Pissed my pants.
Alright, sorry.
Rare AR-15. Ooh.
All the other. I kid. Yeah, you got it. You got it. I was hoping you would, of all people.
Man, you're gonna have to do a lot of editing, because that was some edgy stuff right there.
No. I do no editing. That's what makes the video.
You do no editing. Raw and uncut.
Yep.
Just like his penis.
Whoa. Dude.
Alex, how are we... you said you're not gonna do any editing, so...
Man, dude, I still gotta do it raw and uncut, because I can't edit for the life of me. This is the quest for the garage door. I don't know how we're gonna get a garage door in a little shack like this.
Man, I suck at houses. I just want you to know that right now.
This house.
This thing looks like a pile of waffles, but they're really stale, which is why they taste like wood.
Oh my god, dude, this house. Okay.
We're good. So long as they don't have grenades, we should be okay.
We're as long as they don't shoot us through the thing. Now break that bed and replace it right there. Just like that.
150, 150.
Then stand right here and place it. Yes. Now we both respawn here. Yay! Alright.
Alright, that was a little bit too cringy, even for my standards.
I hate doing that voice. It hurts.
Yeah. You just mute.
Okay, now we need to get some wood for chests. Chests are like 70 wood a piece.
Oof.
Let's move this cringy crafting table to the corner. There we go.
Dude, this house is already...
Sweet home.
Like, call me an architect. Just start hiring me. I started 9. Just do it already. You're missing out.
Look at this. Look at this. I just turned around and said home sweet home, and I looked.
It looks like your face. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, hey, YouTuber came back from his rage quit. You should see. You should be like, hey, welcome back.
What's his name? Message.
YouTuber 13. Just message him privately, like, hey, buddy. 70 logs for a chest. My God.
Oh no, dude. But I'm waiting for this wood pile over here to respawn. They give you like, for me, they give me 10 wood apiece. And there's like 10 logs there. So.
Oh, because you got a better tree. I was like, well, you got like some sort of pay-to-win perks, you premium user. God.
You guys hit /heal/speed.
You disgust me.
Dude, I wasn't thinking when I bought it like 1 year ago.
You still have it? It's a lifetime thing?
Yeah.
It's a lifetime thing.
I bought it twice by accident.
Bought it twice by accident?
I mean, I accidentally bought it for the wrong server at first. And then I had to...
Man, you are astounding.
I still have both, though.
Hey, there's a dude up here.
Someone requested I play the other one. Okay, hold up, this kid.
Oh, it's...
Oh, dude, this is the kid who I stole all the resources from for the house. This is the kid who I stole all the stuff from.
Nice. I'm gonna
We have the nicest house ever.
make a crate. Bonk. Alright, this beautiful house is getting an upgrade. Boom.
Hey, you want to see your retarded house killer?
Killer Keemstar.
I need a house. I know.
We need a house, Dad. I don't know, Rick. Kind of dangerous. Shut the hell up, Morty.
Okay.
You just told me to not be cringy?
Yeah.
We're playing Minecraft, you're recording on a shit variant of a semi-decent game, and you're telling me to not be cringy.
Oh, we need one C4. Come look at this fail architecture. Hold up, where are you? I'm gonna bring you to this. You can almost reach their chests.
That was not you, Alex! I punched a man named Wolfie. He's over here. He's got a sword.
Oh, Wolfie Little. Let's go mug this kid. Ready?
Oh my god, how many bullets do you have?
I only got 35 left. That was 30 right there. He must have a god set on, I swear. Oh,
whoa, he just TP'd out? Or did I kill him?
No, you killed him. He doesn't drop anything because he's blue named. I cry.
Oh, that's stupid.
I know. You were blue name when you first joined.
So what does blue mean?
Protection mode. Don't drop on can't fight back. So much for being protected. Oh, look at this. Nice wood and this guy with a freaking cringy skin. Alright. Cult me, bro.
Mine's not hot. Scooby-Doo-Paw.
Oh my god, there's more people!
Alex, I'm scared.
This kid. Oh, he's running away. Never mind.
Whoa, these are cool.
Yeah, they give you... Like,
Fast
they'll
wood.
give you 7 each. They give me 10 each.
Well, you're stupid. You see, I'm gonna beat this game without spending any money.
I have dash enter chest. So I can pull out like a sniper rifle right now and just shoot someone. Low key.
Well, okay, so these blocks are like reinforced blocks or something?
What, the ones with the metal things on them?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's reinforced.
Oh, and this is crazy nasty cool.
Well, think about how expensive this is. You saw how expensive our little shack was, and now look at this.
I don't know, our shack's pretty much better than this. Like, that thing is impenetrable. This, easy. Give me, like, 5 minutes and a stick of dynamite.
You said a stick of dynamite?
Stick of dynamite.
Exiting sniper territory. Is that a plan? Oh, there's a dude here. Blue name. He's running.
Are you sure it's blue name? That doesn't look.
He's got like a dark blue name.
No, that's.
Oh my mommy!
Sorry. Here.
Whoa, armor, sweetie.
Take some AKs, my dude.
Some AKs? How many did he have? Oh my god! He had 2.
Oh, dude, pants. Hold up, I gotta finish reading this.
Yeah. Do you guys have
you can't ADS?
Nope, I hate that. That's why one reason why I quit. Ooh, Iron Axe. Oh my god,
Donk.
more AKs.
Alright, let's go back.
Oh, here's an iron pick. And a stone sword.
Whoa.
I think I was rich.
Feels bad.
I'm pretty good with the guns on here, though.
Yeah.
Man, this is the most open field I've ever seen on this server. Look at this.
Yeah, there's like nothing here.
This is the most open field on this server, I swear.
Alex, why did we build our house there when we could have taken this place right here? Like, look at this.
Let's go move it.
This is actually beautiful. Nah, there's no point. We got a roof over it. And there's a dude near you, I think. I see a name tag.
I know, but now we have more stuff. Oh, look at this. Wood pile.
Alex, there's a guy right here.
Alright, yeah, dude, let's build a new base, like, right there. We can just break up all the blocks. Did you shoot him?
Sorry. I was being
We don't have that much
psycho.
ammo.
Where's our homie home?
I don't remember.
Back this way. I don't remember. Wait, wasn't this your tower up here?
Hey, this is the stupid tower thing, so it must be close.
No. This on the hill.
Over this way.
Like, look at that on the hill. Didn't you have that base?
We had a cringy little shack. Ooh. Ooh, I don't know why he isn't wearing ammo.
He died. Yeah, an SVD. Nice.
Cover the door. Cover the door. You got more people in there. He shot me with that
What?
thing.
He hit me through the door?
Oh yeah, he's a hacker. Dragon Isle hunting rifle.
Is it Sanger 5? Yeah, that's what it is. It's on my TPA.
Here, I got a sniper on the door. There's so many of them.
Ah, I'm out of ammo. Fuck.
Kill the other. He had a 41 Magnum. Got him.
I need to eat food.
Let's go. Let's just go. Let's just go.
Yeah, I'm running low on ammo.
They're gonna come out in 1 year.
My TPA?
Oh,
Yeah, I want him.
TPA.
Oh, he had a hammer and shit. Swiggity.
Grenade! Twice!
Teleport cancel.
One's left.
I'm going to jump off a bridge. I gotta wait a minute, 22 seconds.
Well, then
Nice.
why are you waiting?
Hey.
But really, no one.
Ooh, Remington. Hunting. Okay. I got a hammer, so I don't know what that is. Oh, does it? I don't have any ammo for it.
Someone TPA hear me. Yeah,
Ooh, that's a
It's out
good
of
gun.
ammo.
3-hit
It's
kill.
out of ammo. It was only 2 hit. I only hit him twice. But I'm out of
Really?
ammo. And ammo for the
Need to be TPA here!
TPA here.
Guys. I need to get something in. It's annoying.
Where's our house?
I don't know where our house is. Hold on,
We lost a house.
How did we lose a house?
I don't know. It was young.
Got a freaking bow and arrow. Got him. Double headshot. He had a nice bow, it looked like. It was enchanted. What's on that bow?
Man, this-
That is an
if you
infinity
press
bow.
tag,
Those
you
never
green-
happen.
Hey, Alex, he's coming. Oh, here.
I took his infinity bow. What a scrub.
LMAO. Let's go.
It's a boost bow, I swear. These kids are so rich, but they're so stupid. Ow, holy crap, holy crap.
Yeah.
Freaking fully auto sniper fire. I'm on 2 hearts. Boom, boom, boom. I couldn't even make the same sound out. Can't even imitate that. Look out. Someone was shooting me with something strong.
No, I don't see anyone.
Called an Enfield.
Was it an infield? How fast does an infield shoot?
They upgraded the stuff on it.
They buff the fire rate?
Yeah.
I got hit by like 4 times. Like 1 full mag really fast. It was like he was fast placing it or something.
Oof. Alright, so we need to find our house. Where's the cringe? Where's the cringe crib? That's the name of
I
the
see
house.
it, I see it, I see it. It's this way.
You do? You do?
Keep going
Oh,
this way, keep going this way.
awesome. Is it like down and to the right?
Yeah, down.
Cringe crib! I see it!
Help! Help me chase my scrubs! I'm wounded.
Did.
I got him.
Where's your axe, bro?
Careful, careful.
So,
careful.
what's the hammer good for? Is that
I do not
a...
lag.
And it's used to like reinforce structures. I see your house. Look at it.
Hey, look at the retard shack. Okay, I'm actually confused. Which one is ours?
This the one with the 4 crafting tables out front.
Oh, yeah! I put those. Let's go put these guns away, because I don't want to lose them.
Yeah, let's put some.
I'm gay. Bonk, bonk,
I
bonk.
thought we live in the cringiest shack.
Where'd you guys go? I'm scared. Oh.
Of course you're
Are you still on top of that big base? Okay, come... I don't know. You head down to... You see that stone rail in the sky or whatever? Shit. I'm stupid. There's stairs right here that I'm acoustic! Hi.
I like my allies for once.
Oh, you've got enchanted armor? That's pretty cool. You got Kevlar and stuff?
If it's black, it's Kevlar. If it's yellow,
Yeah.
it's rad. If it's orange, it's leather. If it's anything else, it's a suicide.
Okay,
vest.
yes,
Alright.
yes, here we go.
Or
Okay,
Gilly.
finally. Oh,
Dude, I want to hug a suicide bomber.
Oh, you want to? If
Yeah.
you get 2 impact grenades.
Seems like a blast!
This first plane ride's gonna be a
I'm
blast.
good.
Alright. Oh no, I gotta tell you that joke. Okay, so my older brother was like talking on a Discord right before before we were gonna go on our first plane ride together. And one of the guys on that Discord was like such a jerk, and he said, "You know what you should do? You should put a washcloth on your head and get a bunch of."
You maybe access me to
tie a bunch of bottles onto your belt and say, "This first flame ride is gonna be a blast." I can't find her name. Do you know the way? I know. Come in.
Oh my god, stop. I watched so many videos on VR chat from this one dude who consistently runs into like the funniest people and he makes great content. I actually cry, like my stomach hurts from watching his videos.
Sounds helpful. Okay.
Wait, is Optifine allowed on this server?
What?
Is Optifine allowed on this server?
Pretty sure. If it isn't, then rebel. No. Actually, I hate Optifine.
Whoa! I was gonna get another one!
Whoa, dude! I'm gonna go build in that one a nice open field.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I'll bring some more wood unless you took it all already.
Whoa! You need, dude. I'll make that deal for you, killer. Oh, we live right next to the open field.
Wait, you have an AK. You have a legendary AK.
Yes.
Ah, angry doggo!
Shoot him. Oh, that's what you gotta do. You watching?
I turned around at the last second. Glad I missed the majority of that.
Legendary
Bam!
I got you, dude.
Okay, we got we got the cringe crib and the retard shack.
This one's gotta be larger. Look at this. We gotta expand.
Sure.
Ooh, fancy.
Look out, blue scrub.
There's a guy over here. I'll kill
I
him.
got him.
Oh, there's one over here.
I am not safe right now. We'll kill that kid. I'll get more.
You're on hunting zone. Come on.
I do have a legendary AK.
Got him.
Legendary M24.
Person had leather and
And
fish.
2 rare M24s.
Can you trade me right now?
No, I'm out in the middle of an open field where there's a bunch of kids.
Open up the trade system. Just trade, accept. Give me the AK. It's easy.
I'm out in an open field with a bunch of kids. What do you not understand?
Never mind. I would stay.
That's a pig,
I would
Alex. That's not a
CPA.
person.
Guys,
Don't bring the pigs
guys.
down to their levels.
CPA enemy. CPA. There's a helicopter with four full guards in it. Flying around.
Oh.
They're here! I'm scared, Dad. I just turned around to hear a helicopter.
They crashed down right next to me.
I knew there's 4 full guards in there.
Mods?
Gods.
Are you dead, Alex?
No. They started chasing after me, then they hopped back in the heavens.
Yeah, they're flying
the
around.
crouch button for the stairs. I'm trying to get that roof over my head.
Trying to get a bird's eye view of my guy.
They have a bird's eye view, legit. Just flying around in a helicopter.
Yeah, no, but like they started flying up, and I was like about to peek my cover. All right, I'm coming back, Alex. That was spoopy.
Shot
That
at
was
them and they
really
almost
scary.
killed me.
I recognized some of them. I saw 111 on there, dude. I was like, oof.
Bro,
Be
it's
Gucci. Can we still do that Spaz Beretta combo from that War Z server or some crap?
There's Barrett. No, there's no Barrett on here. There is a Spaz, but there's no Barrett.
it's like a Dragunov or the
Ow! Screw you!
It's more like an M24.
Whoa, you're in a... how do I add myself to the store?
Oh, I'll add you one sec.
base time.
At least her house doesn't look as stupid. This is gonna be her acoustic house. Because it makes music of her screams.
We were like, ah!
I love it.
I don't
We've
know.
played this for like 38 minutes, and we've only gotten this far. Alright. Actually, it is pretty far for 38 minutes.
Well, we did kill a bunch of people and nearly die from a bunch of people. Seems pretty fair to me.
Your name.
It's Rust to me, you know?
My brother's screaming. Because he's stupid.
Dying
Is he stupid?
Just like that.
He's yelling at my other little brother. Gosh dang it. X6.
Hard.
Perfect. It's beautiful already, Alex. I am a designing god. I'm gonna go get more wood. There's people over here, Alex.
Where? Ooh, that armored kid. I'm gonna shoot him. Oh, yeah. Got him.
This kid sucked.
Do you have anything? Oh, there's ore. Oh. No, I'm down to 3 bullets. I cry.
Oopsies.
Yes, killer. I'm about to be able to trade you that. I'm still building at the house, though.
Hey, there's another bluesy doozy here.
When we
With
have a nice
rad
roof over
pants.
our heads, we can do the trade. By nice roof, I mean a house, say. A doof and I build. Not some...
We're so... Oh, we...
don't even have a roof yet. Don't be.
I was gonna try to place logs and be like, we're so rich, we're making our house out of straight logs.
Oh, that's on laws. Never mind.
Well, they if, dude. There'll be so many people who build log houses on here or something. I mean, think about it. They're much easier to get than planks.
There's people at the house.
What, the one you're at? We're building in this huge open field so we can expand.
House.
Alex, there's a dude out here.
Ooh, freak. I'm out of ammo. Shoot him with the AK.
I don't have it on me. Oh, they TP'd their friend! Ah!
Oh,
No,
Here, Dad.
I died. There's a guy at the house camping. Fucking died because of lag.
You're dead?
Okay.
Helpless. People like
There's
this
no armor,
stupid.
but I grabbed gun. I'm coming back,
Ah!
Sandor.
Yeah, you better fucking hurry with that TP, dude. I'm spooked.
Screw it, dash east.
Hey, they're getting lit up by other people. Oh, that's you.
Dash east. I'm hunting rifle.
Where they at, Alex? You dead?
Their gear.
Dang it. Where AK?
Ah, shit. That shotgun's
Kill
OP.
him!
There's another one with spaz. He just got on my body. I've got he up to.
Guys.
Kill the other!
Nice.
The garbage.
I used a rare AK though. Wasted my nice sweet ammo.
How do we get more ammo? Just craft it with sulfur.
I'm gonna take this uncommon spaz. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here, I toss Kiv. And, oh, sir, Sangor, I give you back your shoes.
Hey,
Uncommon.
Any extra guns, Alex?
AK. Yeah, sir.
there's a bluesy coming. Ow, dude.
I give you some shotgun shells. Oh, wait, my dragon off. Oh, efficiency 1 iron axe.
Alright, doobie doobies are back. Doobie doobies are back.
Doobie doobies are back?
Alex, kill that guy over there. I don't have any ammo.
No, 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 don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. That
Got it,
iron
got
is
it.
no range.
Excellent.
It's only used for close range combat. Wink, wink. What's this kid doing?
Man,
Did that kid just phase to that wall? Easy on cam. Alright. What?
Stupid dog.
Killer, where's your gear?
Where's my gear? I don't have any ammo for the AK. He took the AK.
Put on this full leather, though.
Oh, I did take it. Okay.
I have an AK with no ammo and a dragon
Have-
off.
Multiple weapons. No ammunition.
This AK is also out of ammo. We have no ammo.
Yep, we are poor people.
Okay, let's go put these spare guns and stuff in this chest.
You get ammo in 1 minute.
Best.
Oh, you get ammo in a minute?
Like 40 minutes. This is so grinchy. I want to leave.
40 minutes? Here, you get a kit.
Never doing this. Never again.
I get 5 minutes. I can do my kit fighting again. What do I have any ammo in my EC? I have 5.6 and 7.62. Not very much, but enough to reload my dragon for 1 mag.
You want to do the trade still?
Hey, how much extra wood do we have? In?
Alex, the trade.
Oh, stairs.
Trade,
Yeah,
my dude.
Let's do that trade. Let's do that trade. EC, that's an AK. Dash trade. Accept. Sir is very, very good. Now I have 2 legendary dragon elves, and where's that Og? Screw the uncommon Og. I take legendary. Uncommon M1911 can be replaced with uncommon Og. Hey,
They're back. But look at it. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful?
ooh. Put it in chest.
Yeah, beautiful. God.
I put it in chest. I now have pistol. I have all guns. I have a sniper, I have pistol, I have shotgun. Single
Fall out without me, sir. Do not leave me in here without
Oh, he
me.
fell in there. Ha!
Okay, look, we're working on our new house. It's acoustic, remember?
Bonk, 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 bonk.
This name is just weird.
I got a rare gold sword off one of those kids. It's got fire aspect, sharpness 2, knockback 2. I think it's so funny how we just like...
Coming to the cringe castle. Hold on.
Oh, is it a castle now?
I don't fucking... All I know is that I made it look like a derpy.
Because
Making plays, boys. We're making plays.